Good day, sir. We're going to measure a resistance using a analog multimeter. Example, we're going to measure this resistor by using analog multimeter. This resistor has color band and that is green, black, red, and gold. So before we're going to measure this resistor, we're going to select the selector range that we're going to measure a resistance. So as you can see, this is the resistance selector range. So this is times 1k times 100 times 10 times 1. So we're going to use the highest selector range. So times 1k, we're going to use times 1k because we don't know if this resistor has have a high resistance value. So we're going to choose the highest range, and this is times 1k. So we're going to use the highest range because we don't know if this resistor has have a high resistance value. So we're going to choose the highest range, and this is times 1k. So after choosing times 1k, we're going to attach the two probes to make a short circuit or to calibrate the pointer. So as you can see in our scale, the pointer did not trace to the 0 ohm. So we're going to use this 0 ohms adjuster to focus to the 0 ohm or to rest. So after focus to the 0 ohm, so we can now measure our resistor. So we're going to measure the resistor to each side, the negative probe to the other side of the resistor, and the positive probe to the other side. So now we're going to measure the resistor. So as you can see in the upper of our scale, the pointer 0.5. So the value of our resistor is 5 times 1k is equals to 5k ohms or 5,000 ohms. So this is the steps on how to measure the resistance by using an analog multimeter.